Buddies are waiting here at the door. I'm glad Tux isn't taking Marty out. We're gonna be walking in a misty rain this morning. It's misting on me right now. We've had some light rain overnight. I talked about a mild risk for severe weather this afternoon, gusty winds and some small hail. We'll see. I wanted to show you guys that the moss over here for this particular fairy garden has really filled in nicely. I'm so happy. There's a couple of things sideways in there. Me and the cats, we share the fairy garden. It's not a big deal. I sure am going to miss all these pretty plants when, you know, it gets to be winter time again. We've been really lucky this year. The deer haven't destroyed too much where I place things. I just got lucky. This is that drop-in 3-pack of coleus we got at the new Lowe's a few weeks ago, and it's doubled in size, maybe tripled, and looks really nice. Just taking a minute to stop and quote-unquote enjoy the flowers, the roses, smell the roses. Hey, Tux! I helped Tux claim the hutch, and Marty and Stripe were underneath the big window here. It's pretty nice area there back behind the steps, and under that window it's bigger than you would think as far as providing rain protection. And I moved their food so the dry chow doesn't just get wet and yucky, because they don't eat it after, and wasted. They don't eat it after that. We're fixing to head out. I've got my hat because it is sprinkling enough that I would probably want my hat. Don and I are headed to the golf course. I picked that location today because it's not sunny and it's a lot of sun over there, so it's a good day to walk that location. Plus we have the time to do it. Plus we already walked it one day when it was absolutely pouring. So what's a little sprinkle today to matter about the golf course? It probably won't be very crowded though.
Yep.
We'll be back, Jules. Oh,
God, you made me walk and I didn't get no credit for that. It's like 30 feet. Oh my God, good, I'm gonna die.
Well, if it's any consolation, I haven't started my walk either, and thanks for the reminder. Well, more importantly is you got to clock the time and clock the steps, or Kitten won't let you leave because we haven't attained a satisfactory number of, you know, amount of exercise. We're going to take the yellow trail on the other side of Hilltop Needmore, which is where we were the last time it poured, so, you know. That's the sunnier side also. Just came through the tunnel and boy was the breeze pummeling through there. It felt great. It was kind of like being under a big fan. Right. The right path. You know, we'll pretend we're Americans and we're in a traffic loop and go right. It seems funny to walk left. Not currently drizzling, and we just had one runner go past us, so. Well, looking back towards where we came, it sure is pretty out here. Not so forested that you can't see for a good distance. Nice rolling golf course layout. It's pretty here. It's humid today though. Don't be fooled thinking we're nice and cool. We're not. It's, I'm sure the humidity's about 80%. And we're gonna get more rain today. You can even see over there, if we're unlucky, it will pour while we're on our walk. Well, I don't see any waterfowl this morning, but it's not raining like it was the last time we walked around the little lake here. Pond, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty small. Runoff area for Crooked Creek, whatever you would call the spot. Oh, joy! It's ragweed season. I'm so excited. I'm highly allergic. I actually haven't been taking my Flonase. I keep forgetting to take it at bedtime, which is when my ENT guy suggested. But let's just say that that is going to cause me some trouble, and I really probably, Donnie, help remind me when we're sitting on the couch at night to take my Flonase, because that is going to be nothing but problems for me. Here's this beautiful flower again. I just love this flower. It feels good to be out here, and I like that. Fully expand my lungs, breathe it in through the nose, out, back out through the nose. It's relaxing. My hip's giving me a little more trouble this morning than normal, but usually by the time we're out walking, I'm good. But today a little not so good. Don's Fitbit's on fumes, but his phone is tracking his steps, so he's not losing his steps. We're headed back across the street. We're gonna do the blue trail, right?
I suppose.
I'm just in my groove now. Oh. Keeping you young. Keeping you young?
Yeah, that's fine. All right, so we went for an hour and 6 minutes, 15 seconds. I did 7,203 steps. I went 3.18 miles, and the average pace was pokey.
Really?
Pokey. God, I could have took a nap. 20 minutes, 50 seconds.
That's not that pokey. We've been slower. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be walking slow. I got over 7,500 steps. So Don put climate on 78, or that was his intent. We think it might have ran on 70 while we were gone. That's a good bit of water for an hour. Humid. It's super humid out today, as we said. And occasionally I see folks asking, what's this fluid under my car? Is it okay? So I'm just showing anyone that's interested how much water the air conditioner can make on a humid day in an hour. It's quite a bit. It can look concerning, but if it's water, it's the air conditioner. Yep. Put your finger in it. If it's clear, it's water. It doesn't smell, it's water. You're good. No worries. And plus, ICE car air conditioners, they put out water under the car too, so it's not a Tesla thing. It's just cars with the AC running. Although I guess normally you don't leave your ICE car with the AC running while you're away from the car and get back and see a puddle. Although they do drip out some water after you park them, even if the AC's off. So anyway, air conditioners, they put out water under the car in the summer. That's just what they do. Don let me come into Walmart. I told him not to wait on me, just to go park up at the hill and close his eyes and listen to his podcast, and I needed some more steps, so I'd walk up there. I am not gonna get lucky with poultry platter today. And I did find Johnny another thermos for school. It actually rained pretty hard while I was in Walmart. I heard it on the roof several times. I'm glad it stopped. I would have just sent Don a message or called him and told him, come get me if it was pouring. It's not even sprinkling right now. I would say he's taking a nap. It's a good day for that. I do like on Jules that everything is underneath. Maybe I should reconfigure Ruby. However, with Don driving, I need to make sure the stuff doesn't slide. He forgets there's purchases back there. See me, I slow up on the way home from Walmart because I know I got stuff back there that can sling around. But Don forgets because he's not the one that bought it, right? He's just a guy. You know, I'm just teasing him. He'll hear this tomorrow. I'm just teasing. I don't really care, but I'm his organizer girl. I'm responsible for loading and unloading in a way that doesn't get him into trouble. I'm taking the cart back and he's behind me to come pick me up, like I come pick Johnny up. See him? He's following me. There aren't a lot of carts inside. The guys are not doing a good job today of bringing carts back up on the weekend. It's probably a shortage of employees, like everything else, which is why I grab a cart on the way into the store every time, just like I put it back in the cart return at the end. You know what this means? Don let me go into Guardian Angel. You know, I used to go on Sundays all the time and I loved it. And they're not open on Sundays because of COVID. Because I can't get enough staff to run the store, not because of restrictions. And anyway, Don let me go in. I got one really cute thing I'll show you at the house. Hey.
Hey.
Is it nap time?
It's really, really close to nap time.
I didn't think I wanted a nap. but I just got done folding a lot of laundry, and I made breakfast and, well, brunch or midday bacon and eggs. And I want to go work on my Legos, but dang it, I'm tired right now. I think I want to have to rest first, and I don't like having to rest first. Well, now that we've had that awesome Saturday afternoon nap to recover from our 5:30 a.m. wake-ups this week, I am over here putting at least a few Legos on my project today and relaxing and having fun. So this is the little kitty's treehouse that I got today at Guardian Angel. It did have a chip on the backside, and Don took it out to the garage and he smoothed it off, and I might put a little color on it, but I think it would be hard to match. Probably not, and nobody's going to see it on the backside. The little lower sign says, please wipe your paws. It's for here. I've been meaning to find a couple of houses for summertime. I've been looking. Pull that one forward. Oh, a few more would be nice, but no rush. Well, as you can see, I am several bricks higher all the way around, and that's it's a bit of work with the dark orange, the tan, and the white. I'm starting to put in doors, and I've put in my first window, and then the next step, let's see, what step number is that? Well, anyway, the next step, yeah, it's step 113. Starts making and installing the windows. So that'll be up tomorrow. I'll be working on windows. So Don was in the garage working on a couple projects.
Yep.
And I had on my honey-do list today.
Yeah, lights.
These LED light strip kit that I bought. Don was gonna build it, and then I showed him it was pretty cheap on Amazon, and well, it's that's $10 for 20 feet, I think.
Yeah, I can't even buy it.
Yeah, he was like, with a remote and an IR sensor, we're gonna plug it into an Alexa wall outlet, right, so we can control it. Right. Because it isn't enabled, we would have had to pay more money for that. But anyway, we're just gonna run the strip behind the houses for now, and I am gonna come in and put something inside the houses. But maybe when they start putting out the Halloween or the Christmas lights off, I think I want C3. I think C3 bulbs are what I want in LED, and it's got to be just right. So, but I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. We're just going to run some double side. Hopefully, we're just going to slide the house out a couple inches, run the sticky tape with the light strip back behind it, and boom, we're done. That's what I'm hoping for. Way cool. It's not done. It's just laid up there. Don's getting ready to cut the end off at the right length, or
yeah, more or less.
More or less, and
yes, absolutely.
It may not be lying totally flat, but you get the gist.
Well, we don't know if we want it to lay flat. I assume that's what.
I want it to lay flat. Well, I guess it's a good thing you did it before I totally filled the shelf, because he's able to just slide the buildings out of his way.
Yeah, the sliding is very helpful.
Yeah.
It's easy once you get it started, and of course this is nice flat, and that melamine, the sticky double-sided tape that they put on the back of these fits really well. So to the melamine. So,
yeah.
I mean, it's not fighting me at all.
Good.
Trust me, I've fought these, and plus, this gravity is helping me here.
Right, we're not trying to stick it on a sideways on a surface or underneath.
Yeah, underneath is like I always stick it. It's where it seems like it always everything I ever do goes underneath. I don't get to stick stuff on the top.
Yeah, this is a clean surface, and it's flat, and it's gravity assist, so yep. All right, there it is. Like I said, I will get some lights inside the houses. But, I got to think about how I want to do that. That's going to be a little more haphazard, just sticking some LEDs in the back through the extra windows I put in. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, that does look nice.